On October the 28th, 1985, Richard Northrup was found near the Family Dollar store located on Person Street in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Autopsy reports revealed that Richard died from force trauma to the head. This image displays the Family Dollar store where Richard was found. Reports indicated that the victim was seen talking to several unknown black males in a green station wagon, such as the one shown here. If you have any information about the death of Richard Northrup, please call Crime Stoppers at 910-483-8477 or Fayetteville Police Department Homicide Squad at 910-433-1860. Crime Stoppers may reward up to $1,000 for any information leading to the arrest of the person or persons responsible for this crime.